What's the scariest planet in the universe? Is it the one with eternal lightning storms or the one where the oceans are made of lava? Strap in, because we're about to explore the most horrifying planets that will make you appreciate Earth like never before. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover some of the scariest planets in the universe. But before we begin, subscribe to the channel and like this video. It helps the algorithm. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. We've all imagined alien worlds teeming with strange life, but some planets are so extreme, so terrifying, that they make even the most imaginative science fiction seem tame. Get ready to have your mind blown and your spine tingling, because we're about to meet the 5 scariest planets beyond our galaxy. Our first stop takes us to HD 189733b, a planet located about 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula. Now, at first glance, this planet might seem inviting, a beautiful azure blue similar to our own Earth, but don't let that fool you. This is no watery paradise. Imagine winds whipping around the planet at 7 times the speed of sound. That's over 5,400 miles per hour. These winds are so ferocious that they carry with them a deadly payload, silicate particles, essentially tiny shards of glass. That's right, on HD 189733b it rains glass sideways. HD 189733b stands as a stark reminder that beauty, even on a cosmic scale, can be utterly deceptive. If HD 189733b's glass storms made you shiver, then brace yourself, because our next stop is going to melt your mind. Let me introduce you to Kepler 70b, a planet so close to its star that its very existence seems to defy logic. Imagine a world where the sun fills the entire sky, a blazing inferno that never sets. That's Kepler 70b, a place where the surface temperature reaches a mind-boggling 7,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of some stars. To even get close to Kepler 70b would be suicidal. It's a stark reminder of the immense power of stars and the extreme environments that exist in our universe. Chapter 3, Coro 7b, the volcanic nightmare. From the searing heat of Kepler 70b, we journey now to a world of fire and fury, a planet that's less a celestial body and more a planetary-scale volcano. This is Coro 7b, a place where the very ground beneath your feet is in constant turmoil. Imagine a world where the air is thick with the stench of sulfur, and the ground glows with the heat of molten rock. Volcanoes, some larger than Earth itself, erupt with terrifying regularity, spewing lava flows that stretch for thousands of miles. The atmosphere of Coro 7b is a toxic cocktail of volcanic gases, and the surface is a nightmarish landscape of lava lakes and fiery fissures. No life as we know it could possibly exist on this hellscape. Chapter 4, WASP 12b, the doomed planet. Our journey through the cosmic horrors takes us now to a planet facing an ultimate and terrifying fate, a slow death spiral into the heart of its own star. This is WASP 12b, a planet caught in a gravitational tug-of-war it cannot win. Imagine a world slowly being stretched and distorted by the immense gravity of its star, its atmosphere being ripped away into space. WASP 12b is so close to its star that it's being superheated and stretched into an egg-like shape. With each orbit, it's drawn closer and closer to its doom, its material slowly being devoured by the insatiable appetite of its star. In the vastness of space, even worlds can be consumed, their stories ending in a blaze of stellar fire. Chapter 5, Tress 2b, the Black Hole Planet. Our final destination takes us to a world shrouded in darkness, a planet so black that it makes coal look like freshly fallen snow. This is Tress 2b, the darkest planet ever discovered, a place where light goes to die. Imagine a world cloaked in perpetual night where the stars themselves are invisible. Tress 2b reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it blacker than any substance known to science. Scientists are still baffled by the extreme blackness of Tress 2b. It's a reminder that in the vastness of space there are still mysteries that lie hidden in the shadows. And there you have it, Space Explorers, 5 of the scariest planets in the universe. Which one gave you the chills? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep looking up.